They're just like part of the family, very easy to talk to, very open for suggestions. It's one of those companies that give you warm and fuzzy feelings.
I think one of the things that's impressed me the most with Thomas is I didn't hire a person, but we hired a team.
I think our new customer base has grown significantly in the last couple of years because of Thomas.
It's been a phenomenal experience. The amount of leads and the quality of leads that we get has been extraordinary.
Well, one of the most noticeable things is that we've had thousands of requests for quote come over the ThomasNet website. So much so that I had to hire an assistant at the beginning of this year because there was no way that I could keep up with what's been going on.
It's been a dramatic difference. My team has more than doubled in size, and that's a direct result of the amount of work that's coming in. And there's no question it's directly attributable to what Thomas is doing for us.
What I've seen the most and what I'm the happiest about with working with ThomasNet is we're so much more visible than we were before we started.
But once we signed up with ThomasNet, our traffic quadrupled.
The content on our website has improved and has become a great resource. We're getting hits from all over the world, and it's making my job easier. This has just been a great marketing tool for us.
The Thomas effect is very real, and we see it in our books, and we see it on our bottom line most importantly.
But the bottom line for me is, if there wasn't a specific ROI, then ThomasNet would have been out of here years ago. But it's been a decade, and we've only increased our business with them. But ThomasNet has been a breath of fresh air.
I look at the cost of what the ThomasNet is costing us versus what a salesman might cost us. And I can tell you right now that we are getting much more bang for our buck with ThomasNet than we could ever through a salesman. ThomasNet, I think, is a great benefit for what we're paying for it. So
the largest customer I can think of is right now about $1.5 million since we've started with Thomas, which is a nice customer for us.
I would recommend Thomas to any manufacturer, honestly, because other people in the marketing space are not 100% manufacturer focused, and Thomas is. And they understand the market, they know what drives that market, and they understand what digital marketing and website building and all those things are.
I don't have to go to this company to get the CAD stuff done. I don't have to go to this company to manage our library. This one does the marketing. So you have that all under one umbrella. I think that's the key, is that it's a one-stop shop.
When I would tell somebody else, if you want to take a shot at making your business successful and making more money, I'd give ThomasNet a shot. And I'd give them a real shot and try and use everything they have.